Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1971 Lamborghini Miura SV, and this is from their vintage series, and this is by Hot Wheels. And again, I didn't buy this in India. One of my friend Jayesh bought this for me from Dubai. So it does have other cars as well. The Benz 300 SL, Corvette, BMW 2002. I think I do have a 2002, maybe in Matchbox, I guess. I'm not sure. 1971 Porsche and 1967 Camaro. But unfortunately, we are able to get only one because it costs so much when you are buying outside India. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So again, guys, one thing I really want to say, please don't ask me on the price for all the cars because honestly, I won't be able to remember everything because a lot of things I buy on an entirely different time. I'll just forget to do videos on those, and then I'm doing videos later on. So, and when it comes to websites or the links which you guys are asking specifically for the UCC models and all, so I need to cross check with the person who's actually selling those to me because honestly there are some, I don't say shops, but they are my connects. So when I started interacting with them, after at some point, because of the scalpers and all, they uh, asked they requested me not to give their contact details to others because a lot of people are just coming in and getting and selling those things for high prices. So that's the main reason I hesitate to give out some contact details. Without their permission, I'm not going to do that. So for this UCC and all, I'm just connecting with the respective person. So once I get a go ahead from him, I'll be sharing those details with you all. I'm planning on actually doing a video on all those things, but let's see how the time works out. So just wait for some time, but I will try to help you out, guys. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting, okay, this looks really nice. I do have two Miuras. One is, I don't know whether it came in India or something, but I bought it for 600 rupees from a scalper back then, when I first started this channel. So after that, one more I bought from one other person. Um, that is the, what is it? Um, that NFC variation. I'm forgetting the name. The Hotwheels ID. Yeah. So I bought that one. The casting wise, everything is same. So only difference is that had a very cool rims, and that had that glittery paint job. So okay, this looks really nice. So you can look at the detailing here, which is really nice. So the logo placement is okay, if you ask me. Okay, let me just okay. So it does have interior detail to it, which is really nice, and it does have detailing on the rear as well. Okay, just for a change, this looks so amazing. I don't see much of a irregularity in this casting. The detailing and logo placement, can see baritone here. Maybe it is not pronounced very well here, this image, but it does look really nice. So baritone is the one who designed this particular car. So the chassis is plastic, if you guys are wondering. So till this part here, you can see these all are plastic, only the body is metal. Let me just show it to you in this way. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls okay. It is not too good or anything. The wheels wobble a little bit, especially the front wheels, it wobbles a little bit, as you can see. Let me just do it one more time. Front wheel wobbles a little bit. Rear wheel is okay if you ask me, but the front wheel wobbles a little bit. So, but apart from that, the casting looks so beautiful. I don't see any irregularities in paint job or anything. I'm sorry. So this light which I'm having here, which is literally right here, the bottom of it, I'm not able to interact freely like I normally do. I'm just trying to put out a clean video for you guys. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.